Savers, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome. I'm Kim and this is World of Sky, a world for women and moms to talk all things money, saving money, making money, and managing your money. And today we're talking all about side hustles that you can do if you are an introvert. If you have not done so already, please make sure that you are subscribed to my channel. Trust me, girl, your purse, your wallet, and your bank account will thank you. All right, let's go ahead and dive in. Okay, so these side hustles are for someone who is not so people-y. Okay, let's just say you're not people-y, you don't want to interact and be around a lot of people. However, you still need to make additional income with a side hustle. These are some ideas that may work really well for you. The first side hustle is video editing. So if you know how to edit videos, whether they be like long form content, long videos, or short videos, reels, TikToks, things of that nature, people are looking for help. You are in need, you are in demand, okay? From small business owners to content creators, they need your help with video editing. Meanwhile, this side hustle can be very, very lucrative for you. And the bonus here is that you don't have to interact with a lot of people. It's just gonna be you and whatever editing software in your computer that you're using. Now, if you don't know how to edit, but this is something that you are interested in because it can be lucrative and it really is a great skill to have, there is a wealth of information out there available. Free information that will teach you how to edit videos. So go out there and do your research and practice this skill until you are comfortable being able to offer this as a service to, like I said, small business owners or content creators. Girl, they need you. The second side hustle is drop shipping. If you're not familiar with drop shipping allows you to start an online business without having to purchase any inventory, okay? This really piques people's interest because purchasing inventory is expensive, y'all. It is expensive, and it is something that will prohibit people from being able to get started with their business or side hustle. With drop shipping, you do not have that hurdle. So with drop shipping, what you would do is sell your products online and then you would fulfill those orders through a third-party vendor. The vendors would then ship the item or items directly to your customer, okay? So the item goes from the vendor to your customer. You're kind of the middleman that is making sure that the transaction occurs and that the customer gets their products. So where you would make money is that you would keep the money from the difference of what the third-party vendor charged you for those items versus what you charge your customer for those items, okay? So with this business model, you're charging your customer more, than you're paying from your third-party vendor, and that is how you're making money. Meanwhile, you do not have to, like I said, purchase the inventory, house the inventory, that's a whole nother story, as well as you do not have to ship the items to your customers. Now, in order to find the best products, you're gonna have to do some research on what to sell and what vendors you want to use in your drop shipping process. You need to do your due diligence and find vendors that are reliable and that they have quality items, okay? Do not be out here sending people trash. So that's option number 2 for a side hustle for introverts. If you are enjoying this video thus far, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. It really does help me out. The third side hustle for introverts is house cleaning. Don't sleep, y'all. Don't sleep on these house cleaning businesses. They are making bank, honey, okay? And you can do this too. So if you enjoy cleaning or you enjoy tidying up spaces, this could be a very good option for you. And one of the big bonuses to this side hustle is that you do not need a lot of money to get started doing it and being able to generate some income. All you really need are some basic cleaning supplies, and you can source many of those at your local dollar store. House cleaners are in demand, you guys. How many times do you hear people say, yeah, my house cleaner comes on Thursday, or oh, I can't wait for my house cleaner to come next week. I really need them here. They need you. They want you. They need you. And house cleaners are charging on average $55 an hour. Yup, you heard me. $55 an hour for you to clean homes. And that price can vary depending on where you're at. If you're in a larger city that has a much bigger demand, you increase your prices. You can be charging more than $55 an hour. If you're in a more rural area, you may need to charge a little bit less. However, it still can be very lucrative if you're charging $30 an hour, okay? That's a really great side hustle. You set your price, and of course this side hustle is great because you ain't got to deal with too many people while you're doing this side hustle. Okay, you're gonna deal with the person who lives there, but once you come in, they're probably gonna leave you alone and let you do your job, okay? Because they don't wanna do the cleaning, so why would they bother the person cleaning, okay? That's you. So do some more research on this side hustle if it's something that piqued your interest. Number 4 is a dog walker or a dog sitter, or I guess it could be any kind of pet walker or sitter. So if you love pets and animals, this will be an excellent side hustle for you. I am not the person for this side hustle, okay? I don't do dogs, I don't do animals. Don't come for me. They're just not my thing. I don't wish them any harm or danger. They just ain't for me, okay? But if you like dogs or you like pets, this is a lucrative side hustle, okay? Start doing this one now if you enjoy pets. So with this, you pretty much take care of someone's pet. You walk them, get them some exercise while the owner is either working or maybe they're on vacation. You come, you take care of the pet, you go walk the dog, you get some exercise too. That's a win-win situation. And you get paid. Also, there's no people involved. It's just you and the pet. So the introvert in you will be really, really happy about that. There are several sites that you can research online that will connect you to pet owners and individuals who need your services. So check that out. Again, people are making a lot of money walking these dogs. And the fifth and last side hustle for introverts that we'll talk about today is freelance writing. So if you love to write, this one is for you. With the side hustle, you can write blog posts, novels, cookbooks, scripts, etc. There's a lot of different things that you can write for other people. Some other categories that fall under this are copywriting, content writing, technical writing, ghost writing, and ebook writing. Okay, so those are some other terms that you may hear when you throw out kind of like this freelance writer side hustle. There are several different sites out there that you can search for freelance writing jobs. And again, these can be very, very lucrative. And you don't have to deal with a lot of people, so it's a win-win. Good money, no people, perfect for you. Okay, those are the 5 side hustles that I have for you today for introverts. Hopefully at least one, if not more of those, piqued your interest for you to look into further, do some research, and get started making some money. Okay, just because you're an introvert does not mean that you cannot have a good side hustle that produces some extra income for you. Before you go, please make sure you do subscribe to my channel, hit the little notification bell so you do not miss any future uploads from me. I do upload new videos every single week and they're pertaining to money, of course. Okay, that is it for now. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you and I will see you in the next video. Happy saving!